Man, I have go to school. I hate school. Oh crap, it's Dad. Jackson, time for school. Jackson, stop be at brat and let's go to school, else you're grounded. Okay, fine. I need walk to school because snow again? Wah. Good morning, class. Today talk about math. I'm Hunter. What? Can I go bathroom? No, because last time I win cannot. I want go bathroom now. No, I'm gonna really bad I don't go. Ugh, fine. But we checking my camera. So I not cannot. I got it, I'm pulling fire alarm. It's time for pull a fire alarm. Oh my god, it's a fire alarm. Time for line up.
3 minutes later.
Okay class, I'm sorry about that, it was a fire alarm went out. Jackson, how dare you pull a fire alarm, tell me true. Yes I did, I pull a fire alarm. Ooh. Jackson, how dare you pull a fire alarm, let's go to red office right now. Hello, welcome office. I pull a fire alarm. Ooh, Jackson, how dare you pull a fire alarm, that's it, I'm calling Dad. No, please don't call Dad. Hello Bart, why calling me? Jackson, pull a fire alarm. Ooh, I'm gonna pick up. He gonna big trouble. Where Jackson? He ran outside. Ooh, I'm gonna find. Jackson, we going home right now, do not run. No. Too bad. Oh my god, Jackson, how dare you pull a fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded for 20 days. Now go to your room, right? I'm destroy PS4. No, not my PlayStation 4. Too bad. I'm gonna have it, I'm gonna destroy. No, please don't destroy PlayStation 4. Wah. Jackson, I'm not buying new computer, iPhone, Xbox One or PlayStation 4. Now stay your room, right? I'm gonna done. Wah.